Girl, here go another one. That's like the third track. Go ahead and get into this review. So I'm like super excited because when I saw this wig, if I didn't have any money in the bank, whether I did or not, I like hurry up and bought it. I didn't care. And I've tried so hard not to look at anybody's review, and the titles is just killing me. I'm like, oh my god, please let me love this wig, because I like jumped when I saw this wig and I was like, oh my god. So I'm gonna be reviewing the Sensational Butta Lace unit. It is virtually undetected HD lace. It is the Butta unit 1, and I do have it in a 1B. So this is what the box looks like, and then this is the back. So this is going to be the unit up close, and this is going to be like a side part. So it's going to be a right side part. This right here, this picture is what got me, because when I seen this I said, oh my god, that looks like a human hair wig. So that's what made me get this wig. And then here is the inside, and it's just showing you, see the difference from Butta Lace versus normal lace. And then there's their claims at the bottom. It does say that this is HD lace, blends in with most skin tones, ear to ear with a wide 5-inch deep hand tied, pre-plucked with baby hair in a natural density hairline. And then on the back, they do have different hair colors, but I got mine in a 1B. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, the hair. Oh, baby. The hair feels so silky. Okay. So looking at this off the bat, it does have a shine to it. So yeah, you are going to have to go in with some dry shampoo. I can see that. So let me go ahead and flip this on the inside. So you do get 2 combs on the top. There is the lace parting space. You are going to get the adjustable straps in the back with 1 comb as well. So that is what the lace looks like, and it is a light lace, and it does have baby hairs as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on before doing anything to the wig. So like starting out, this is like a big cap. So for big head ladies, they got you, because this cap is big. I'm gonna have to go in and tighten it up, which I don't have to usually do, but I'm gonna have to go in and tighten it up. So it does go down from ear to ear. Let's see. So there isn't like much on the sides. It's probably what, that's not even half an inch, or it could be half an inch. So you do get a little bit of parting just on the sides, so that I guess you can go ahead and get it to look nice. So it does look pretty, it does look nice. And then this right here is the front. So okay, with the knots, you can see that these knots are big, so you are gonna be able to see the knots. This is not like the what lace, in my opinion, like jumping off the bat. And then this is going to be the side. So like the body and movement, baby. Okay, slay us with the movement. So this hair right here, oh, I like the texture. Like, it is giving me life. Life. Oh, it is giving me life. So looking at the front, I think it'll be okay without plucking. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put me some foundation on. I did go in and tint the lace with my foundation. I did use a CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This is in the shade Tiny. I put that on the bottom and on the top. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this down. I'm gonna use my Got to Be Glued freezing spray. And I'm gonna spray this and blow it out just on cool air. I really should have did this before I did my makeup, but I didn't know it was gonna be like this. I thought it was gonna be like a little lace part. So yeah, I'm gonna do that on both sides. So I'm gonna go back in with my powder because that lace took up the makeup. But this lace right here blends in like so freaking well. Very well. So now I'm gonna go in and do these baby hairs. So I'm gonna take my edge booster to lay down these baby hairs. I'm gonna pluck right there. Let's see. I'm just taking some foam rub just to get rid of that edge where it looks gummy at, where we got all that makeup on. Now I'm gonna take my Cara wax stick and I'm just gonna do like right here so they can lay down. Probably the whole, and then right here, these baby hairs, because I don't want them. I only wanted these right here on a parting area. And here goes another track. So I don't even know where this one go, but I'm just gonna cut this out. So that is 2 tracks that are up in the air. Like, what is going on? Girl, here go another one. That's like the third track. And I'm just cutting this out. I can't even feel where it's coming from. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. So starting out, the bob, the style, the cut is like pretty. The texture is pretty. The lace melts into the skin like pretty. I like that. But this wig is pretty when you look at it. But this wig does have some cons. Like, oh my god, I thought I was gonna love this freaking wig, which let me say, I still love this wig, but it has some like cons. So the texture is like a silky texture, which it feels like a silky yucky texture. I love that when synthetic wigs have that. So I'm in love with the texture. I'm in love with the hair quality, like when you sway, like it has a lot of body to it. It's not stiff. It's pretty. There is some shine to the wig, but you can fix that with dry shampoo. That's simple as 1, 2, 3. You know, that's not the issue. The con I'm gonna start with is the knots. The knots on this lace is like, they're very big and visible compared to their what lace. The what lace knots are very transparent. Once you put foundation or powder on there, they kind of covers those knots up, and those knots are small. These knots are big, so you do see these knots, like as far as in a part and along the hairline, you will see the knots. So I do not like the knots on this wig. The lace itself though is so bomb. It melts into the skin. I like the lace on the skin, how it melts. You can tell that this is a thinner lace compared to the what lace. You can tell that, which I like the lace. The knots are too big for this lace. It needs the what lace knots. You know, the knots that are very thin, undetectable knots, not these knots. So yeah, so the biggest con is I had 3 tracks that are hanging off this damn wig. Listen, I just put this wig on and it ain't even been an hour. I done put this wig on, I done had 3 tracks. I glued the first one back in, which was right here, because I could see that one. I had another one right here, I cut that out, and then I had one that was over here, I cut that out. So this is the track right here. And as you can see, these tracks are very, very thin. They are very thin. So I guess they wanted to be like more on a natural, it feels like a, you know, like a human hair wig where you don't feel the tracks. It's very thin, nice. I get that part, but these tracks right here, it doesn't look like it looks like they missed it when they were sewing the wig together. Because you can see like the thread, but it don't like whoever was sewing these did not sew this wig on correctly. And then at that, y'all could have just glued this on if y'all was gonna do it like that. But I could see, you know, this is thin, and I could see like they was trying to, you know, give the natural and the body effect of a bob wig, because you know you don't want a thick bob. I understand that much, but this right here shouldn't have been happening on this wig, especially with Sensational. You've been coming out with good wigs, the what lace, and the hair texture and quality and everything on here is bomb. Like, if it wasn't for these tracks sliding out and then the knots, I would be in love. I'm really still in love because of the hair texture. The hair texture and quality is what's like saving this wig, because baby, Do you see the swatch? Do you see the swatch? Like, this wig right here is popping. It's popping. Like, it's popping. If you order this wig, make sure to check it and see if you have any tracks hanging out. You know, sew those on or glue those on if you choose to get this wig, because warning, you're going to have tracks hanging out the wig, or maybe that's just mine. I seen like the captions. Like I said, I was scared to order this wig because of the captions, so maybe that's what it is. People got tracks hanging off their wig. So if you do order this wig, like the wig, like as far as quality, I love the quality. So if you do order this wig, make sure to check it for any loose tracks, slip in, you know, get you some hair glue. That's what I did. I glued this one back here, back in, or you know, if you got needle and thread, sew those in, or you know, however you want to do that. Or don't purchase this wig at all. You know what I'm saying? Don't purchase this wig at all if you ain't got time to do all that. It does say that this wig is heat safe up to 400 degrees. You aren't gonna get any tangling because it is a short unit and it is straight. It's not tangling. I did get shedding. I did get some shedding, but I'm not getting shedding right now. So you might have a little bit of shedding. Oh, I do have a couple of strands, so you might have some shedding when you get your unit. But yeah, I am getting some strands on this side for some reason. On this side I'm not getting any, but this side it is shedding. So all in all, I do like this unit. Just be aware of the cons that this unit does come with. If you choose to purchase this unit, I will leave links down below on where you can find this unit at. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments that I did not answer, it is big head friendly. I just thought about that. It's super big head friendly. So if you have a big head, you'll be able to wear this unit. So if you don't have any other comments or questions that I did not answer, comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, subscribe button, hit that button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.